have a jam go.
And particularly since the kit is actually cut. That's it.
Nee.
Well, you did very well, very good.
Yes, no, whatever the other process. And what is the radar? Where does that link up?
Okay. The purpose of today's exercise is to maintain the skills and the drills that we have to carry out as an army. It's a perfectly normal thing for a military organisation to train. If you don't train, then you don't keep on top of your military capabilities. It was a good opportunity to present those capabilities both to our own Minister of the Armed Forces and Chief of the General Staff, and also to show that IFOR is a strong and credible force here in Bosnia-Herzegovina. No, it's not a demonstration of power.